In this video, I'll show you how to add your newsletter to Shopify. So if you want to have a newsletter where people can subscribe to on your Shopify store, then this is the video you don't want to miss because I'll show you how you can do that. So first of all, go to your Shopify store and go to your theme and then click on customize. You'll then end up on this page. If you scroll down, you can click on add section. Next up, you can scroll down and then right there you'll find promotional newsletter. So click on newsletter and you'll then add this right here. So this is one that I've already been using, but this is the one that's just been added to my store. So right here, people can enter their email address and they can subscribe, okay? So first of all, we're gonna save this, or it has already saved it, I'm not sure, yes. Okay, so make sure that you save this, okay? Now next up, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to my Shopify store and I'm gonna show you where the subscriptions will show up. So I'm gonna click on view. I'm then gonna put in my email. Let's see, there it is. Let's say that I wanna put in my email and I'm just gonna come up with a random email here. Okay, so just ignore that. But let's pretend that this is someone's email. Click on subscribe right there. Thanks for subscribing, okay? Now, if you then go back to your dashboard and click on customers right there, you'll find your customer subscription right here. So all the people that are going to subscribe to that newsletter, you'll find them right here. And right there, you can copy their email and you can check out the information. So right now, they're added to my newsletter, and that's how you can do this. It's pretty easy. It's pretty cool as well. And that's how you can do this. You can then import that list. You can then click on email subscribers. You can also import that. But that's how you can do this. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.